Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the OCTOM LinkedIn Assistant Chrome extension. This Chrome extension is privately distributed, and so that means you will not find it on the Chrome extension store. You have to download it through OCTOM here and install it. And so that's pretty easy here. We're going to go ahead and download the Chrome extension. That'll save it to your downloads folder. And we'll go to our downloads folder and we should see the Chrome extension. There it is. So we'll go ahead and unzip that, and that will extract all the files. And then we'll go back to Chrome and we will go to Manage Extensions in the triple dot menu. This will take us to the extensions. And so you'll see a developer mode up here. This developer mode allows you to install extensions manually, which you'll be able to do by clicking the Load Unpacked, finding it in your downloads folder, and hitting select. You just need to select the folder and it's installed. And so if we go to LinkedIn and hit refresh, we will now see the OCTOM LinkedIn Assistant. You click sign in and it will redirect you to OCTOM and authenticate you. And just like that, you're ready to go.